Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for free stuff. Yes, free game dev stuff. We got our bi-monthly roundup of all of the freebies that I can find out there. By the way, if I ever miss any, do let me know in the comments down below. Now, the marquee ones here are always the Epic Games bi-monthly giveaways. Here you can see one of those assets in action right now, and I've got to give you the standard reminder every month that you can actually export these out to other game engines, such as here you see the same asset in Godot. And everything is ready to go. In this case, I used a plugin to do so, the Unreal to Godot. There's a bunch of guides to how to do that down below, but the key thing to take away is, even if you are not using Unreal Engine, hoard, and hoard some more, because quite frankly, there's been a ton of assets, and you may use Unreal eventually, or you may be worth the effort to get it out into another engine. But let's go take a look at the other things first, then we will come back to Unreal Engine in just a second. Now, this one was actually released a few weeks ago. I forgot to put it in the last roundup, but better late than never. Quaternius has a new low-poly pack out there, the Downtown City Mega Kit pack. This one does, again, there is a completely free version of it. 60 to 70% of the pack is completely free. It comes with OBJ, FBX, and GLTF formats, which basically means you can use it in whatever game engine you want. If you want to pay some money to them, help support them, you can also get the version of it with shaders ready to go in game engines, the blend source files it all came from. But these versions in the free versions right there, they're workable in pretty much whatever game engine you wish to use, and you get an idea of the kind of assets that are included in this pack, the kind of things you need to create a city. On top of that, Kenney has come through with a couple of other ones. This one is probably the coolest thing he has done in a very long time, because this is just so incredibly useful. It's flags. It's a bunch of open source flags, including the bestest flag in the world right there. But if you need icons to represent countries, this one is great. All of this stuff is CC0, by the way, so you can easily use it in your own game of choice. Now, another one, I don't know if this is new or an update. I think it might be an update, but it also might be new. Retro fantasy textures. So this is released as a 1.0, so I'm going to call this one new. Now, basically, if you need to create a game like old PlayStation 1 era, this is textures, basically for creating medieval villages and so on, crates, doors, so on. I like to see this kind of stuff. It's a little bit different from what we normally see from Kenney. Then we got another one. This is the Godot Asset Store is coming soon. I'm going to probably have a bunch more mentions from stuff in there. But the big one is Ovani Sounds, commercial maker of sound effects and dynamic music soundtracks, have released a free sampler pack up on the Godot Asset Store. So you got a bunch of stock sound effects here, starter pack. So fireworks, rolling thunder, environmental loops, Hollywood sounds, horror sounds, a bunch of things in here. So basically, if you just need some sound effects, or if you just want to, play around with Godot's audio, this will be directly available in the asset store with 4.7. By the way, that is the current version that is currently in release candidate. But the asset store for it, there is an Ovani sound pack there. Speaking of Ovani, if you head on over to Bundle Foundry, what you shall find is they actually have an Ovani bundle going on as well. They got a couple here as well. I mentioned them in the previous freebie, and we'll be hearing about Bundle Foundry in most of these freebie videos, because while this is the cool thing they do, they create these bundles. So great deals here. So if you're interested in picking up a bunch of sound effects or music tracks from Ovani, for example, they do have this great bundle going on right here. But on top of that, they also have a free tier. So you can come in here, grab their mixtapes. You can also get an idea of a bunch of what their soundtracks are like here, which you can use commercially in your own project as well. And if you're interested, there is a bundle here. By the way, if you use my link, it does help support me. Speaking of Bundle Foundry, they also have the Unreal Engine one still going on. This one, once again, does have a free tier item, the Rooftop Asset Kit. And then we have the Ultimate Unity Environment Bundle. Now, this one I mentioned in the last free video, but it wasn't actually out yet, so it wasn't featured in the video itself, just in the link. Just so you know, you can get this free 3D environment here for the Unity game engine. This is from HiveMind. Cool deal as well. So again, they do have these cool bundles going on, but the key thing here is they do have these free tiers. So if you want to go check out the quality of the items in the bundles or beforehand, or you just want a freebie, be aware of all of those. And then we get back to what we were talking about, the bi-weekly giveaway. The way this works, basically, go on in here, add it to your cart, and check out. You have until June the 30th. If you've purchased it by then, they are yours to keep free forever. Now, you can see this is an Unreal Engine only asset. Let's head on back over to Unreal Engine so you can see it a little bit more. It's Docs. Pretty straightforward. This is Docs Volume 2, Powell Docs. It's modular, low poly. I don't know why it's called Powell. That might be a name or a reference. I have no absolute clue, but gives you an idea of what's all about. Who are we voting for? Doesn't say. All right, so here you can see that is the one asset here. Now, the next one we've got up here is a character pack. So this one is, again, Unreal Engine only, but you should be able to export it out, at least the base meshes. And we'll show the demo here. It's 2 characters. I'm going to call them Harold and Kumar, just because that joke will make sense in a few minutes. But you see here, this is a set of characters. There we go, swapped one of them in. There is the male version of it. There is a female version as well. And boom, there she is. So female, male. So customizable characters. Like so, you can swap back and forth between them. Let's stay female. You can change out the shaders. Like so. I'm not sure what difference I'm seeing there, but material color changes. Oh, you see it in the background character. Color changes, like so. You can pick up items. Not sure the command to actually pick them up. Backpack, like so. Control rig is in place. Materials, so the main shaders includes all of the cool features like cell shading support, color customization, and so on. The rig to an epic skeleton. You can see the actions of her and him both animated, and a merged skeletal mesh. Gives you an idea of what this is capable of. So it's 2 dynamic character sets, ready to go with a lot of customizability there. And then we have one other thing here where Harold and Kumar might want to visit, and that is White Castle. I find it hilarious that they called this White Castle. Although, if I'm perfectly honest, it's a white castle. So I don't know if they had that joke in mind. I'm not sure I loaded this one in this sense yet, so I'll be right back. And here we are. It is not that White Castle, but a different White Castle. But Harold and Kumar can visit here regardless. This one is actually available for a variety of game engines. You can actually download this one as FBX, export it directly to Blender if you so wish to do so. It totally reminds me of the one castle from Lord of the Rings. I'm losing my geek credentials right now because I don't remember the name of it. But that gives you an idea. It's a modular castle environment like so. Again, available for, I think, Unreal and Unity out of the box, as well as an FBX, so you could just put it directly into Godot, Blender, Flax, whatever. So that is the final asset from Epic Games. Again, those are available until June the 30th, so a very fast recap of what we've got going on. We got the Decagon, so this is the deck, the docs. Then we've got the stylized characters, male and female, with a bunch of configuration options available for them. And then we have White Castle, again, available for Unreal Engine, but also Unity and FBX. So basically whatever game engine you want. Doesn't matter which license you pick, by the way. It's Epic Games picking up the tab, so who cares? Let me know what you think of the Epic Games freebies this month, too. Do you like them? Do you not like them? I find them pretty middle of the pack, to be honest. It's more free stuff, and I like that. Then on top of that, we've got the Quatornia City pack here. We've got Kenny has updated his with the flag pack here, as well as the Retro Textures Fantasy pack for, again, PlayStation 1-esque or PlayStation 2-esque low poly textures looks. On the Godot Asset Store, we have the sampler pack for Ovani Sounds. And then on the topic of Ovani Sounds, head on over to Bundle Foundry, and you can get that free asset right there from that bundle, the music sampler as well. And of course, check out the whole bundle. If you use my links, by the way, it does support me, and I do appreciate that. We also have the rooftop asset kit from the Unreal Engine bundle and the Unity asset here from the Ultimate Unity Environment bundle right there, free tier as well. And then, of course, a number of other environment assets available there. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is this month's free stuff. By the way, if you know of other free assets that were just released between now and like 2 weeks from now, let me know and I'll cover them in the next video. All right, let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.